My name is Essence Wilson, and I graduated from Kettering in 2005 with a degree in mechanical engineering. I'm currently the co-founder and chief strategy officer at Communities First, which is a nonprofit community development corporation. Community development and engineering don't sound like they go together, but I use my engineering skills on an everyday basis, and I'm applying those principles and concepts that I learned in the classroom here at Kettering to real-world, everyday problems. I'm thinking about systems, I'm thinking about policies, I'm thinking about structures that are creating the conditions that lead to people being homeless. And the same goes for, kind of any other societal issue. The coolest thing about my job is having a chance to engage with people at sometimes the very worst point in their lives and seeing them evolve and transform over time. I've seen people go from literal homelessness on the street to being board members of major organizations in the community. I've seen families reunited. Seeing people go through a process of transformation where they are hopeless to a place of sustainability, a place where they feel love and they're ready to just take on the world and do great things. I don't know if I really chose Kettering. Kettering sort of chose me. My mother actually always wanted to be an engineer. She worked at GM and was on skilled trades. I think she always wished she would have had an opportunity to come to Kettering. I would say that Kettering students are high achievers, that they care deeply about others, and they really have a desire to be an asset. The benefits of the co-op experience are so tangible. You just don't get that sort of experience in most schools. Even an internship is different than a co-op experience, because with co-op, you're gonna come back, right? So you can build and you can see your professional growth over time. Coming to Kettering, in addition to the co-op experience, being a little bit of a smaller campus, there's a community that exists that doesn't exist at larger universities.